Hi, this is Gabor, and this is my mental illness newsletter. And the topic of today is going to be insomnia, the bad sleeping. Is there anything could help on the bad sleeping habit? In today's video, I would like to share a few ideas that could help you to sleep better. If you are one of them, as I was, wake up in the middle of the night and struggling to sleep back an hour or two or three or four or not at all anymore to sleep back. So if you are one of them, I think I have a few positive experience which I tried on myself that turned out it works well. And let's see what would they be. What is all about the I cannot sleep back, I didn't sleep very well? So why is that? I discovered, and probably you did so, it is all because it could be, first of all, it could be a biological reason as well. It could be, the weather, could be any biological, but I don't want to discuss right now, right here, about any kind of biological thing. But my humble opinion is that it is only for the reason that most people can't sleep back after wake up in the middle of the night. My humble opinion is that is about only 10%. 10% only the biological reason that could blame on weather, on noise or whatever. So the rest, the 90%, is actually mental origin. I would say that. What is the mental origin? Is when the mind just cannot let you go back to sleep at all, because it is just working, processing thoughts that are trying to solve one of your problem or more problems in your life. Thoughts processing that are trying to control something which is uncontrollable anyway. Like, for example, you cannot control the weather next week when you are going on a holiday, right? But it could be a really worry that what you should take with you, whatever, blah blah blah, but you cannot control. You can control a few things about that is done, and enjoy your holiday. But the fact you cannot sleep because of this, because of you trying to control something that you cannot control anyway, that is very, very counterproductive if you are awake in the middle of the night when you should sleep because of tomorrow work and tomorrow your day, actually, that right now is the time for sleeping. So yes, the solution is that the mind, the thought process mind, that's the problem. That's what you need to get rid of. That's what you need to put aside. That's the mindset that you are having right now if you are awake in the middle of the night and struggling to go back to sleep after 1 or 2 or 3 hours. Yes, the reason is the mind, the thought processing mind, the incessantly thought processing mind. This is the problem. This is what you should put aside in order to let you go back to sleep immediately. What I mean by saying that, when you're thinking, this is just makes you kind of enthusiasm, and you are just have so power that you could change your life right now. But on the other hand, your mind just telling you that stay, just supposed to sleep right here. So it is causing tension in you, and the more tension you cause, the harder to go back to sleep becomes. The only solution, that mindset, it should be taken aside. So how you can do that? How you can do that? Well, the Buddha said, take a listen to your breath. You can take your listen to your breath. You can, when you breathe in, you can feel the air going through at your throat. You can look and you can feel you can see your lung rising and exhaling, and it's moving. You can see that and you can feel that as well. So if you're trying to become one, with your breath in, with your breathing, do you think you can create a thought process? No. Try it. Try to be one. Try to listen fully to your breathing and try to think at the same time, and you will discover that you cannot. And this is the solution. And I would say that this is the only solution to go back to sleep. You need to be one with your breath, for example, in order to let your thought processing, problem solution, thought processing mind to be taken aside. And if you do so, you keep 1, 2, 3 minutes to be one with your breathing, then your mind will go back to sleep. Try it. Give it a try. And also you can have another approach as well, but the same solution. You will put your thought processing mind aside by, for example, feeling your body as contacted as you are, let's say you are laying on a bed trying to sleep back, right? And you are laying on a bed and you feel your body is contacted the surface of your bed, right? Can you feel that? Or if you are standing or sitting, can you feel your body contacted with your chair, your leg contacted the floor, right? Can you feel that? Can you keep it up for a couple of seconds? If you have a thought that you are carried away with that thought, no problem. Just let it go and come back and feel it incessantly. Feel it. If you have a thought, let it go and then come back. It's fine. The more you let yourself to feel, and the less you are get carried away with any thought, unnecessary thought, you incredibly increasing the chance you can go back to sleep right now. Try it. Now you've got two solutions: listening your breath, your breathing, and the second approach, you can do it at the same time. You can do it 1 minute breathing, listening, and another minute is body contacted with your bed, with the surface of your bed, listening and feeling. 1 minute, another minute. I don't think so you need to change this 2, 3 or more, and you're probably back to sleeping. Well, I wish you good luck and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'm coming back tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow, with another video. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you soon.